Hello and welcome to the computer networking class. In this class, you will learn about Telnet. What is Telnet? Let's see its definition. Definition of Telnet. Telnet is a network protocol used for remotely accessing and managing devices over a network, typically using a command line interface. It enables user to log into another machine, usually a server, over the internet or a local area network (LAN), and execute commands on that machine as if they were sitting in front of it. Telnet is primarily used to access remote computers or devices such as routers, switches, or servers. Common uses of Telnet. Here I have three common uses example for you. So first one is testing network connectivity, accessing older network devices that only support Telnet. And the final one is troubleshooting network services such as HTTP, FTP, and others.